Disclaimer: this video is intended for educational purposes only, specifically to demonstrate the computation of excise taxes on tobacco products. I do not endorse, promote, or encourage the use of tobacco in any form. Tobacco products are addictive and hazardous to health and may lead to serious financial and medical conditions. If you are or know someone who is struggling with tobacco addiction, please seek help from a qualified healthcare professional. In this video, we will discuss nicotine salt, especially magkano yung tax na applicable dito. Okay, excise tax. So kung i-check natin dito sa BIR website, okay, ang nicotine salt ay under sa tobacco products, under din siya sa vapor products or also known as vape. Okay, so ang tax rate na applicable dito noong 2024 ay 54.6 per ml. Okay, per milliliter. Tapos, for 2025, mag-i-increase pa siya ng 5%. So, sige, compute natin. How much is the excise tax due? Okay. So, sige, check natin yung tax rate. Ang sabi dito, ang pinaka-latest na amount na binigay dito ay 54.60. Check natin. Ito ay sa 2024 pa. Okay? 2025 yung year dito. Since 2025 yung year dito, magbabago ba ang rate? Well, check natin. Sabi dito na starting 2024, mag-i-increase daw siya by 5% every year. Meaning, sa 2025, mag-i-increase siya by 5%. So, ibig sabihin, 54.60 peso times 105%. Okay. Now, etong rate na to, i-multiply natin per milliliter. So, tatanungin natin, ilang milliliters ba meron? So, sabi sa problem na, naka-manufacture daw sila ng 2,000 boxes. Per box, it contains 100 units, okay, ng product. Tapos, per unit is 10 milliliters. Okay? So, magkano yung excise tax due nila? Okay? Sige. 54.6 times 1.05 times 2,000 boxes times 100 units times 10 ml. So, ang excise tax due for this product is 114,660,000. Curious lang, no? Magkano ang excise tax due per bottle? Okay? Pwedeng itanong din yun. So, sige. Ang isang bottle is 10 ml. Ang per ml, ang excise tax is 54.60. Okay? That's for 2024. 2025 na ngayon eh. So, times 54.60 times 1.05 kasi nag-increase yung rate by 5%. So, ibig sabihin, kada isang bottle of 10 ml na vape, okay, or ng nicotine salt, nagbabayad yung manufacturer ng 573 and 30 centavo. Just try to imagine. Syempre, yung manufacturer, ililipat niya yan sa mga consumers. So, if kayo, nagve-vape kayo, nagbabayad kayo ng 573 pesos na tax every time humihit-hit kayo ng vape. So, if naghahanap kayo ng reason not to smoke, eto na yun. Next, compute natin ang inspection fee. Sige, tandaan na ang inspection fee ay applicable lamang sa mga tobacco products. So, since this is a tobacco product, check natin. Ayun. Again, ang mga nicotine salt ay under sa vapors. Okay? So, per ml of liquid, meron 1 centavo na inspection fee. So, sige, ilagay natin dito. 1 centavo times ilang ml ba meron. Okay? So, nakaproduce sila ng 2,000 boxes times 100 units times 10 ml. So, ganun lang siya, guys. Okay. So, that's 1 centavo times 2,000 units times 100. 2,000 boxes times 100 units times 10 ml. Ayun. So, ibig sabihin, ang inspection fee ay 20,000 pesos. So, ganyan lang siya kasimple, guys. Now you try. We will answer this problem in another video.